Welcome to Etiquette Noire, a podcast about the quiet power of knowing how to travel well. I'm Tanya, founder of the Lux Code Travels and Etiquette Noire. Here, luxury is intentional, shaped by culture, access, and discernment, not just price. Whether you charter yachts or plan five-star escapes with strategy, this space is yours. Etiquette Noire, for those who live luxury and those who travel like they do.
You board without a passport check. No one rushes you. The conductor gives a slow nod. His silk gloves gleam, and the brass buttons on his coat catch the alpine sun. The train hums forward. The world outside disappears. Beneath white fir trees, beneath the hush of fallen snow, beneath stone viaducts that stretch hundreds of feet into the air, and you haven't even sipped your champagne yet. Welcome to the Albula Railway, Switzerland's most beautiful secret. This isn't the Glacier Express. This isn't what influencers post. This is for those who know. The Albula line is part of the Rhaetian Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage journey that runs quietly through the canton of Graubünden, that's pronounced Graubünden. It links the glamorous alpine town of St. Moritz to the storybook valley of Thusis, but most luxury travelers overlook it. What they miss is a moving cathedral of light and silence, a slow-motion dream through untouched Swiss time. There's a panoramic first-class carriage with floor-to-ceiling glass. You can reserve the entire car, private, insulated, soundless, like flying through a snow globe. The best time to go? Late winter. The snow is undisturbed, and just before sunset, gold light pours across the valleys. It's as if someone lit the Alps from within. This isn't a train to somewhere. It's a train through something unforgettable. Your journey begins in St. Moritz, the birthplace of winter luxury. Fur-lined sidewalks, designer boutiques frozen in time, historic hotels like Budrit's Palace, where royalty still signs in with fountain pens. But you're not staying here. You're headed into something quieter, more rare. Your private carriage awaits. Walnut-paneled walls, a sommelier offering Riesling from the Rhine. Your seat, leather, hand-stitched in Lugano. As the train curves around the Landwasser Viaduct, you're suspended 200 feet above a ravine, the stone arches humming beneath you. You float. The snowflakes cling to the windows, then vanish. There's no Wi-Fi, no interruptions. Just the low whistle of the engine and the crunch of snow outside. This isn't a ride. This is a reawakening. At Filisur, pronounced Filisur, you step off for a snowshoe trek through forest trails known only to locals. A third-generation alpine guide meets you with elderflower tea and stories of mountain witches who once lived in caves nearby. He doesn't carry a phone, but he knows every pine tree by name. You hear the wind over the fir branches, and nothing else. Here's your etiquette tip. If you're lucky enough to ride with locals in first class, don't speak loudly. The Swiss admire quiet refinement. Don't order coffee with your meal. Espresso is for after. And when toasting, look them in the eye, avert your gaze, and you'll be silently judged. Luxury here is not opulence. It's restraint and respect for silence. Now for the Lux Code. Can you do this without a six-figure itinerary? Absolutely. A first-class Albula line ticket starts around $100. You can stay 2 nights at the Hotel Waldhaus in Sils Maria, a hideaway perched above a frozen lake where Nietzsche once stayed to think in silence. Or, if timeless grandeur is your style, book a room at the Kulm St. Moritz, where Belle Époque luxury lives untouched. For a deeper indulgence, book a private alpine Pullman car restored from 1931, complete with onboard chef and cigar service. Want to arrive by helicopter? The Engadine heliport is 15 minutes away. They'll land you in snow, not on a tarmac. All in, you can build a discreet, unforgettable luxury experience for under $5,000. Or, if you wish, for much, much more. There's one more thing. Along this journey, the train glides past ancient Roman-speaking villages, where one of Europe's oldest languages still lives, spoken by fewer than 60,000 people in the world. You won't understand a word, but somehow you'll understand everything. This isn't a bucket list ride. It's a memory that whispers. You don't need to chase a luxury others post. You just need to find the doors. They don't open. This was your passport to the unknown, and the next stop, it's even more secret. Until next time, pack light, sip slowly, and travel like you were born to.